Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove an ad account in Business Manager. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Meta account since Business Manager is accessed through there. Once you're logged in, go to your Business Manager settings page. This dashboard contains all the tools and options for managing accounts. In the settings, look for the Accounts section and select Ad Accounts. Here, you'll see all the ad accounts linked to your Business Manager. Find the specific ad account you want to remove and click on the Details embed. If you have several, you can use the search or filter options to make it easier. Once you locate the ad account, you'll see the option to deactivate. Click it to remove the account from active use in your Business Manager. Keep in mind that deactivating doesn't delete the account permanently, it just makes it inactive. Historical data and settings will still remain if you ever want to reactivate it later. A confirmation window will appear. Click Deactivate Ad Account to finalize the process. So that's basically how you can remove an ad account in Business Manager. That's it for this video. Thanks.